Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lamar Theorem. So my name is Lawa, aka Omomomi or Odilabs. As we all know that we stopped at episode 4 on this wonderful channel. Now today we are moving on to what? Episode 5. So grab your pen and grab your what? A canty paper or jotting paper. Are we together now? So, but today on this episode 5, we are going to talk about the topic called what? Square. Now, everybody is familiar with the number square. Square of a number. And we all know that a square is the index of an whole number or decimal number. Now, for example, 1.5 square, like 5 square, then 6 square. We all know that 6 square is 6 times 6, which is what? 36. But today, I'm going to teach us finding the square of number ending in what? In 5. Now, we all have whole numbers that end with what? In 5. Now, for example, we have a 25 square. We also have what? 105 square. So, how are we going to solve this one now? We are not going to solve it in the way that we are using tens and what? Tens and units. I'm going to introduce another method of what? Of solving this. So, when we are through, you cannot pick the one that is so easy for you to solve or to go for. Are we together now? So, we have 25 square. Now, this is the unit, and this is the what? The tens. Now, the tens, I'm going to introduce 1 to the tens. What do I mean by that? I'm going to have 2 plus 1, then multiply it by the tens itself, which is 2. Why I'm going to have the 5 square, which is what? 5 times what? 5 times 5. So, now let's have it down here. Now we have 2, open bracket, 2 plus what? 1. We close the bracket. Now we have 5, which is 5 times what? 5. We all know that 5 times 5 is 25. Now we also have 2, open bracket, 2 plus 1. We know this 3. So we have 3, we close the bracket. Now, we all know that bracket is what? Is times. So we have 2 times 3, which is what? Which is 6. Now, this is 25, and this is also what? This is also 6. So I'm going to bring the merge the 2 together, which is 6 and what? 25, which is 6, 2, 5. Now, on a normal day, if you multiply 25 times 25, you are still going to have what? 600 and what? 25 as a what? As a final answer. But I would still prefer this method of solving this, finding the square of number ending in what? In 5. Now, look at this another example where we have a 105 square. And before I solve this, I would just like us to go on a short break. Then when we come back, so Akenja is one of the schools in Ikorodu. So thank you very much. Welcome back. So we have 105. 105, we have 105. Supposed to have 105 times 105. So this is the unit. So I will take this as 5. 5 times what? 5. Then I will have 10, open bracket, 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1, which is 11. Then this one is giving me what? 25. 10 times this, which is 10 times 11, is giving me 110. So this is the final answer for this. So I'm going to mark 110 and 25. So I'm going to have 110 and what? 25. So I'm going to have 11,000 and what? 25 as the final answer of 105 square. So that will be all for this episode, and this
channel. So don't forget to like and don't forget to share. So before I go, you can try this 75 square and we have let's say 35 square, then 115 square. So don't forget to, you can send it to my comment section, or you send it to lamattheorem@gmail.com. So thank you very much for watching, and thank you for sharing, thank you for like.